Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude 27 SA. Come on in, let me show you this incredible unit. This is my favorite if you're looking for something small but yet a full walk-around bedroom. We'll get to the bedroom up here soon, but let me show you the inside. Seating for several, lots of cabinet space. Got the bunk beds. This one's got the rollover couch that makes into a bed or lays down flat into another bed. So we got bunk beds here. The dinette kitchen here slash folds down into a bed, makes another bed on the couch here. Table removes out of the way. Nice easy access to the bunk beds with the ladder. Again, the overhead cabinetry. Nice deep tall cabinets. You could put shelving in there if you wanted to. It's just easier to put the shelving in and add it rather than take it out after the fact. Nice LED lights. You'll notice that you got the bright lights up top. The undervalance lights there for the indirect lighting. Looks very nice. Nice diamond tuck type upholstery with the Attitude monogram in the couch. That's on a slide out. This particular unit has a slide out, so when it comes in, there's still enough room for most side-by-sides to fit in with the slide out in. And it also has the metal roll-up fender well instead of what you see in a lot of the other guys with the wood roll-up. Nice, very, very comfortable chairs. Real comfortable rockers. We can take them outside. We can put them on the patio kit outside and sit on the patio on a nice summer day. Take them out underneath the awning outside or just leave them inside here. But very, very comfortable furnishing with the table in between. Nice big patio window here with indirect lighting and also the bright lighting underneath if we're reading a book or whatnot. Notice the flooring. It's got the good barn look, old barn look, rustic barn look floor with the heavy D-rings. It's a bonded floor, so it's very solid all the way through. Plenty of drawers in the kitchen. Cabinet underneath. Nice double. This one's got the new basin sink. Big one-piece stainless steel with the sink covers for counter space. Faucet with a pull-out nozzle and spray. Onboard generator, stove, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, nice big refrigerator here. This one does not have the option for the TV, but it's pre-wired for a television with the HDMI cable running to the stereo system that plays your DVD movies through the system. Power antenna, power amplified, gives you good tuning there. Stereo up here, you got the Jensen. Plays your AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3, Bluetooth, all of above. And then the new upgraded command center here that's everything is in one spot there. Real nice feature. Side hallway into the bathroom. This one is a very large bathroom with the corner glass shower. We got a little nook here for our towels and washcloths and whatnot. Porcelain toilet, sink, under storage, medicine cabinet with mirror, skylight, plenty of height for the tall people. Towel rack on the door. When we walk into the bedroom, this has got a nice big walk-around queen bed. If we got those extra tall people, you'll notice there's plenty of room if we want to go another 6 inches in length for a longer mattress. Cabinetry all around the bed. Plug-ins on both sides. Individual lighting. Everything's LED throughout, so it gives you a lot more last through the battery system. Storage up underneath the bed. Nice. And this one has got solar on the roof, 160 watt solar panel. And then we have pre-wire for bedroom television up top. Come on outside, let me show you some outside features. This is all aluminum framed sidewall with the fiberglass exterior, all LED lights underneath the power awning, and then you got your LED light strip for the above door. Metal fender wells on the exterior. Notice the greasable shackles down here on the drivetrain. Keep the noise down, keep everything greased by being able to lube it yourself without having to take it in the shop and get her done. Adjustable power awning. When it's out, we can raise and lower the angle the sides so it pivots. I don't have this out all the way because of the building right next to us, but when it's out, I can angle the arms so we got water runoff off the edge instead of out the side or bellowing our awning when it starts raining. The new large windows on the sides here. Plenty of interior lighting back in the bedroom area for the rear bunk area, but also just adds to the trailer a very, very nice look. It's got the outriggers off the frame that help support the wall structure. Very nice, so it's not just pinched between the floor and the roof, it actually is supported by frame rails. Nice feature. Stabilizer jacks on all four corners. This one has the patio ramp kit. It's about an 8-foot patio out the back end, comes straight out the floor. The new graphics that are reflectorized. So at nighttime, if you lose your tail lights, guy behind you with his headlights on is still going to see you, not run into the back of you. All LED lights. We got the pump, 12-volt pump station here, and then we have our on-off pump station to turn on the pump with the gauge to tell us how much fuel we have in our fuel station. Very nice feature. Fuel station here, so it's on the driver's side of the vehicle, so when we pull up to the fuel pump, it's on the same side as the truck, so I don't have to go turn around and come back in the other way. The living room slide out. You'll notice the walls on the side of the slides nice and solid. Shore cord coming out the side here. Our city water connect, fresh water connect here, and then our black tank flush up top here, so when we're dumping we can flush out our tank. The hot water heater here, this one's got the 6-gallon gas and electric. You can opt it and get a 10-gallon hot water heater as an option. Low point drains down below. Outside shower, dump station here, and you'll notice the black and the gray valves, they go through the frame system, which means the tanks are up in that sealed and closed underbelly instead of exposed to the weather and easy to freeze. 4,000 watt Awning generator. Battery disconnect up on the front railing here. Nice wide tray for our, we install 2 new batteries when you take delivery. The propane tank cover, 2 7-gallon propane tanks. And then the new Attitude graphics here you see. Over here we have the basement storage access through outside and or what we get underneath the bed. But this is going to give us access up underneath for extra storage. That about wraps it up on this little 27 SA. Small trailer, still getting you the front walk-around bed, still sleeps a bunch, still haul the side-by-sides, bikes, toys, what have you. This is just one of the floor plans we have in stock. Feel free to call Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. If you got any questions on the Eclipse Attitude products, see what we have in stock, what we got coming in, feel free to give me a call direct. I can't answer your questions if you don't call me. Call Clay Thompson, Guaranty RV Center. Thank you and have a great day.